This is Alard item Y3733. It is a PDC Tamper Evident Bander, a Model F, like in Fabulous 200. This machine is specially configured to put tamper evident bands on shoulderless containers such as cups, or in this case we have some cans here, or plastic square cans, that type of thing. Something where there is nothing to hold the tamper evident band up, no shoulders on the container. We have obviously an Axon heat tunnel on the other end of this to help shrink the tamper evident band. It has a through conveyor with a worm and star feed and timing mechanism. So we're going to fire this up and put some bands on. And as you can, I guess, see, these are nice, straightforward, tight, shrunken on tamper evident bands here. There should be a tear. They can come off, so you get the idea. Typically you wouldn't put these on cans for obvious reasons, but we wanted to show it on probably the most difficult container. We like to give Bill a challenge. He doesn't like it when things are too easy. Right, Bill?
Your bag of shells.
So there you have her. That's our PDC Tamper Evident Bander with heat shrink tunnel. In stock at Alard Equipment Corp. Nice and clean. In very good operational condition. Available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Corp.